What is up, guys? I'm gonna show you guys the finished project of the frame. It's been a few days, it's been sitting out, covered. Frame looks pretty good, cleaned up. Muffler, I'm just gonna chop off, get rid of this because it's leaking anyway. So we'll do an upgrade eventually. And now I'm gonna tell you guys about what's going on. Loader. So when you start the truck, the reason why I'm throwing the parts cannon at it, and when you scan it, there's no codes. And I don't know why. I tried multiple different scanners. So basically, let me show you guys what we're working with today. We have a new fuel pump, a new fuel line filter, fuel pressure regulator, and an IAC. So we're just not going to talk much on this one. Just going to kind of blast through it, and let's get going. So let me show you what I mean now. So we got the scanner hooked up, ignition on. Oh, it'd help if the ignition was on. Look at that. Cut this radio. Vehicle has no fault codes, but it idles like this. So let's go ahead and start it up. It's actually idling a lot better today. I didn't do anything to it yet, but it's shaking. Yeah, you can hear it now. The whole truck is shaking. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. Shut it off and try to see if we could fix that idle, because it slowly, it starts off at 1,000 and slowly drops all the way to 0. And when you give some throttle input, see, that's very delayed. Go ahead and shut that off. Get started. As you guys will see here, I'm replacing the fuel regulator sensor. And the one I got, sadly, I think the factory clip, the clip and the O-ring it came with was the wrong size, because you'll see here shortly why. Focus. Okay, you guys ready for this? This is awesome, man. Here it goes. Yep. That's all 93 octane. The clip, no, the retaining clip and O-ring the kit came with was pure junk. So I used the factory stuff and we fixed all that. Okay, so here we are. Checking off boxes, moved on to the IAC. Hopefully, no, not hopefully. I already know the outcome while you guys are watching this. But I'm running out of ideas here, guys, so any help would be really appreciated. right in. Okay, so we got the new IAC and the new fuel pressure regulator with the factory clip. The one that it came with just wouldn't work, was leaking fuel everywhere, as you guys see. So let's see if this fixes the shitty idling. Keep in mind, the battery in this truck is legitimately about 2 to 3 weeks old, and it has 0 runtime because the car barely idles. So I think I'm coming down to a low voltage alternator issue, because you can see here, the truck is making no voltage. That's why it's not starting now. So I guess we're gonna look into an alternator issue. But if anybody has any ideas, please leave in the comment section. Let me know what you guys are thinking. Well,